Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how you can easily create dashed lines in Affinity Designer. So first of all we will start with a clean new document, and we can use any object or curve, or we can draw one by ourselves with the pen tool we want to, and where we can add a stroke. And we can edit the stroke to be dashed. So for example, if we want to have a line, we can use the pen tool and click from here to here. And we could create a rectangle holding down shift to have a perfect square, and the ellipse tool and holding down shift while creating to have a perfect circle. And now we give all of them some filling, for example this color, so we can see it better, making this maybe perfect, so it's straight. And now what we have to do, as you maybe already know, we could add a stroke to our objects, to our line, by clicking right here in the top line, or right here over the layers next to the colors on stroke. And then we could add a normal stroke, for example 1 pt, and next to the stroke we have the dashed line style, so we can click on this, and then we can also, like with the stroke, select how wide we want it to be, for example 3 pt, and then we can change how the single dots look like, for example with a butt cap, and here with mid join, and so on. So you can test this out a little bit if you want to. And the important thing is we can change the dash style by changing this second number easily. We could also change the other ones, you could try this out, but the easiest way to change the frequency is by changing this one, for example to 2. We see the border, the distance between two dots is exactly 2 dots then, and if we make it 3, it's 3 dots. If we make it 1, it's 1 dot. If we make it 0.5, for example, it's 0.5 dots. But keep in mind, if we choose another cap, it doesn't end with the point, so it goes a little bit above the point, so it wouldn't fit anymore. So with this, we have it exactly 0.5 dots in between, and with this, because it's above the dot, this doesn't fit anymore, so we need to adjust this to have it look like we want it to look, for example 1.5, and so on. And we could also do the same by just clicking right here at the top line and doing the same. And here with the colors we could change also the dashed line color, but make sure we take swatches right here to click on this little color circle right here, this one with the cutout circle in the middle, because this one is for the stroke, for the line, and only therefore if we change the color by selecting this one, we change the dashed line color. So now we can change the color of the dashed line, as you can see, but if we have this one above, we could only change the filling color. So keep this in mind to have this clicked, so we can adjust the color of the dashed line. And we could also do this for this line, for example here, real quick, to this cap and making it 2, for example, and changing the color to this color. And for example this circle, we could here make the filling transparent, that we don't have filling, and then give it a stroke, and then make the stroke dashed by going here, going 2 pt, and making it, for example 0.5, and this cap, so we have it exactly, or making we're making it 0.5, like this. So that's gonna do for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully see you in the next video, and bye.